this video I'm going to show you how to get started on your project. So we've learnt how to hold our hook, how to get the yarn onto the hook and how to hold the yarn. But then what do? Most projects that are working in rows will require a foundation chain. So the pattern will say something like chain 20. So how do we actually go about doing that? First we yarn over like this and pull through the first loop that's on the hook. So that is your first chain. So you continue like that until you reach the number that is stated in the pattern. So that would be 3. 1, 2, 3. And you carry on until you've got the number that you need. And that's basically it. That's the foundation chain. To count how many you've done, you start from the very bottom here and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and stop there at the top. And that's it really. So if you're going to start a project that is working in the round like a basket, then head to the next video to find out how to do a magic ring.